Hey!
Nakuha yan ni Nabal. Lays up. Good for 2 points by Nabal. Lagunzad to Laude. 15 to shoot. To number 9. On 3. No good. Laude. Good for 2 points by Laude. 15 to shoot.
Natapik!
Nakuha ni Clip. Pinato kay number 9. Number 9, lay up side, no good. Nakuha ni Clip.
Yay!
Para kay Mami Daddy. Ang puntos ng Manuka. So na Boleros, pumwesto sa 3. Yes, 3 point.
Austin.
Laude. To Lagunsad. On 3, no good. Rebound on Bangilan. Nabal. To Bangilan. Nakuha yan ni Clip. To Laude. To number 9. Lay off. Yes, 2
Grabe
points
naman
on
yun.
number 9. To Nabal. Joseph. To Jonard. Number 22. 30 seconds to shoot. Bangilan. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola. Binigay kay Bangilan. 10 to shoot. Pinwestuhan sa 3. No good again. Rebound to Clip. Nakuha yan. Last touch Bangilan. Yan sa 3. On the center. No good rebound Bangilan. To Nabal. Nabal to Jonard. Yes, good for 2 points by Jonard. Look to Laude. To Lagunsad. 3 points. Lagunsad. Score
Sa kanila.
9-7.
Sa mga bata kanina. Pero
15 seconds to shoot.
ipo-forward sa akin sa Viber.
To number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. On the side.
Oo.
3 points Lagunsad. No good. Naval. Naval on to Pangilan. Ang ganda naman ang pasa nun. Go for 2 points by Pangilan. Hit to Laude. Naval. 15 to shoot. Liamas. 14 yes. 3 points. Liamas. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Laude. Pinorman sa 3. 3 points Laude. Nabaw. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Bangilan. Pinipit. No good. Rebound on Galban. To Lagunsad. Ang ganda naman ng peke. Binigay kay Lagunsad ulit. Nakuha ni Jeff Laude. Go for 2 points by Laude. 6 minutes.
Minuro ka.
Laude to Adonis. To Lagunsad. Pumeke. Lagunsad to Galban. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nakuha yan ni Nabal. Easy to lays up by Nabal. Laude to Lagunsad. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. To Galban. 13 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Liamas. Tinirahan sa 3. No good. Rebound on Clip. To Nabal. No good. Nakuha yan ni Galban. Pinatrap si Galban. Score 16-14. To nakuha ni number 31. 13 seconds to shoot.
Number yun.
Yes, good for 2 points. But 4 minutes and 15 seconds. To Whiskey. Number 18.
Nice
Good
one!
for 2 points by Whiskey.
Ito lang siya na
0. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
Jogging laki.
Tumama. Rebound on the Whiskey. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 25. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tira!
To Anton.
Body!
Rebound by Castro. No good. Nakakuha ni... So number 3 to Casarino. Casarino, number 16. Foul. So number 30 on 3 points. No good.
Uy, sayang.
Nakuha yan ni San Andres. So Whiskey. Whiskey. Pumatake sa gitna. Yes, good for 2 points by Whiskey.
Parang napila.
2 minutes and 33 seconds. Number 0. Outside. So,
LeBron James.
7 seconds shot clock. Casino. No good. Foul. Second throw Escalona. Yes, good for 1 point. 15 to shoot. Number 13. Last. Martinez on the center. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Naagaw yan ni Whiskey. Whiskey. Olban. To number 30. Pinasinta, no good. Rebound number 25. Martinez. Martinez. To San Andres. Umatake, no good. First round, San Andres.
Gayosa?
Yes, good for 1. Casirino. No good. Number 25, Martinez. Martinez to Whiskey. Ang ganda naman ng pasa noon. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds.
Kaprakit ba namin kayo?
Naagaw yan. Last 1 minute. Whiskey good for 2 points by Whiskey. Yanan to number 0. 50 seconds. Tinirang sa 3 no Martinez. So number 13. Tinirang sa 3. No good. Rebound on Casarino. Casarino umatake. Foul. First row. No good. Casarino, yes. Good for 1 point. 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. San Andres umatake. No good. 14 seconds. Number 3. Number 25 Martinez. No good. Nakuha ni Casarino. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Number 30. Yes, good for 2 points. 3 seconds. Time on the first.
Hey!
Ball. Nabaw. Nakuha ni Galban. Easily up by number 9. Yes, good for 2 points by number 9. Riyamas. To Carpizo. Naagaw yan. Laude. Yes, good for 2 points. Laude. Nabaw. Dadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Carpizo. Umikot sa sentro. Good for 2 points by Carpizo. Laude. number 9. 15 to shoot. Good job, son. No good. Rebound on Bangilan. Bangilan to Nabal. To Carpizo. Yes, top 14. Good for 2 points by Carpizo.
Utak na ito, no?
8 minutes and 45. Laude to Lagunsad. Stepping on the line to Nabal. Nabal umatake. To Bangilan. Good for 2 points by Bangilan. Laude. No good. Rebound on Dulce. Dulce to Yamas. On the side. Yes. Good for 2 points by Yamas. Laude to Lagunsad. Lagunsad. 15 to shoot. Lagunsad. 10 to shoot. Last touch, Laude. Nabal, dadala ng bola. Nabal. Minutes and 33 seconds. To Galban. Galban. Umatake. Foul. To Lagunsad. No good. Rebound on Carpizo. Fifteen to shoot. Dulce. Tiniran sa tres. No good. 10 to shoot. Last touch. Same ball. 8 second shot clock. 7 second shot clock. To Yamas. 5 second shot clock. To Bangilan. Yes, good for 2 points by Bangilan. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Lagunsad. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda naman noon. Wala nga lang. Nakakuha ni Carpizo. Binigay kay Yamas. So, Nabal. Tinirahan. Yes, good for 2 points. Nabal. So, number 9. So, Lagunsad. Lagunsad. On the side. No good. Rebound on Carpizo. Carpizo. To Yamas. Yamas. 13 to shoot. To Bangilan. Naagaw yan ni Japson. Layup. No good. 6 minutes. To Nabal. Nabal. Pumeke. No good. Yes, good for 2 points Nabal. Time out. 5 minutes and 44 to Galban. Inasinta sa tres, no good. Rebound on Lagunsad. No good again. Last touch. Laude on the side, bumit-bit. Holding. First throw on Laude. Yes. Second throw on Laude. Yes again. Three points sa Bangilan, no good. Rebound on Laude. Laude. Nakuha ni number 9. Pumuesto sa tres. No good. Rebound on Carpizo. Carpizo. Rebound on Bangilan. No good. Rebound with Jobson. Laude. Easily up. No good. Rebound on Lagunsad. Lagunsad. No good. Second throw on Lagunsad. No good again. Rebound on Whiskey. 10 seconds of shoot. No good. So number 30, tinirahan sa tres, inasinta, no good. Nakuha ni number 0. Kasirino. Kasarino. 6-second shot clock. Yes, good for 2 points on number 0. Escalona. 4 minutes and 20. Susan Andres on the center, no good. Rebound, Escalona. To Casarino. Casarino. To Escalona. Escalona. Nakuha ni Martinez ang bola. Martinez to Whiskey. Last time. Suclip. Number 6 to San Andres. Yes, good for 2 points by number 25, number 30. Back, 3 points. Number 30. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Whiskey good for 2 points. Whiskey. Casarino to Escalona. 12 to shoot. Nakuha ni Escalona again. Pinigigil Casarino. Nakawala ang bola. Pinigigil Anton. Anton. Layup. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Anton. Pinira. Wala na lang. Yes. Rebound to Casarino. On the side, binit-bit, no good. Rebound ni Martinez. Whiskey, number 18. On the center, no good. Rebound on number 30. Pumeke. 3 kay Sarino. 13 seconds to shoot. Escalona. Number 31. Good for 2 points, number 31. Last 2 minutes. Martinez 3 points, no good. Alarcon, 40 lang yan. Casarino, 13 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Casarino, bumit-bit, foul. First round, Casarino, yes. Second throw. Ten second shot clock. 3 points Llamas. Bang! Whiskey, 15 to shoot. Naagaw ang bola. Nakakuha ni number 30. To Renan. Yes, good for 2 points. Remaining time, 1 minute and 3 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. To San Andres. 10 to shoot. No good. Nakuha yan ni Yaman. Seconds. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound on San Andres. Yes, good for 2 points by number 25. Last 28 seconds. 15 to shoot. No good. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Anton, 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Time on the second clock.
Oh, sa CR.
Foul on 3, no good. Nakuha yan ni Bangilan, Tuliamas. Tinira sa 3, no good again. Nakuha ni Arpiso, Pumeke, no good. Rebound on San Andres. Laude to Lagunsad, no good. Rebound on San Andres. Whiskey, number 18, no good again. Nakuha ni Bangilan. Labaw. Laude, bumutas sa gitna, binigay kay Whiskey. Counted foul.
Go, Daddy!
First throw on. Nakuha ni Yamas yan. Nahuli yan ni Laude. Pumwesto sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Galban. Galban. 30 to shoot. Laude. Foul number 3. Yama. Laude to Whiskey. Yes, good for 2 points. Whiskey. Foul to Carpizo. First foul. Nabal, umikot. Pinigil Llamas. Yes, good for 2 points. Llamas. Laude. Laude. To San Andres. Umikot. Foul. San Andres. Yes, good for 1.
No, lahat sila.
To Llamas. 15 to shoot. To Nabal. Back to Llamas.
Hey!
10 to shoot. To Bangilan. Pumuesto sa 3. No good.
Ang kompleto.
Nabal. To Dulce. On the side. No good. Rebound on Nabal. 5 seconds to shoot. Dulce again. No good.
Lakas
Yes.
nila kay! Swerte na kailangan sa goal.
So Laude. 2 seconds. Laude. To Lagunsad. Tumira sa 3. No good again. To Carpizo. To Bangilan. No good. Nakuha ni Lagunsad. Nahuli ni Bangilan. Bangilan. Bumitbit. No good. Follow up. No good again. Nakuha again ni Bangilan. To Llamas. To Nabal. 9 to shoot. Bangilan again. No good. Yes, good for 2 by now.
Tabingi.
Pinuestuan sa 3. No good. Nabal. Yes, good for 6 minutes and 20 seconds. So, Lagunsad, on 3, no good again. San Andres, no good again. San Andres again, no good rebound. Carpizo. To Joey, number 25. To Nabal. Bumigpit, pinigay kay Joey. 15 to shoot. To Nabal. On 3, no good. Pumesto ulit sa 3, no good.
Jackson.
No good again. San Andres rebound. No good. To Carpizo. To Llamas. Tiniran. No good. Rebound on number 11. Good. To Laude. 3 points. Yes, bang. 3 points. Laude. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Nabal. To Carpizo. 13 to shoot.
Kaya nga
To number 25. No good. Yes. Count. Yes. Number 9, Pumeke. Butik na maagaw. Naagaw na nga ni Casarino. Casarino. Layup. Yes, for 2 points, Casarino. To number 9. Number 9, Santos. To number 24, no good. Rebound on Bangilan. To Casarino, to Nabal. Nabal, to Casarino. No good again. Rebound on Laude. To Lagunsad. Naabot. Number 25 to number 18. 13 seconds to shoot. Lock. To number 0. Escalona. To Carpizo. Yes. Good for 2 points, Carpizo. Laude, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Ang ganda naman noon. Nakawala nga lang. Rebound again on Laude. Foul. First throw on Laude. Yes. Second throw on Laude. Yes. Good for one. Nabal. Nabal. 2 Casarino. Bang! 3 points. Casarino. Laude. Laude to Lagunsad. No good. Rebound on Escalona. Nabal. What a shot by Nabal. 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Chip on center. No good. Naagaw yan ni Nabal. Foul number 25. First round Martinez. Second round Martinez. No good. 2 minutes and 38 seconds to Escalona. On the center. Yes, good for 2 points by Escalona. Naagaw yan ni Casarino. To Escalona again. To Casarino. Pumeke. Libre, no good. 17 seconds. The ball. 15 to shoot. To Casarino on the side. No good. To Laude. To number 25, Martinez. To Laude. Layup. Yes, good for 2 by Laude. The ball. Luis. 1 minute and 45. Nahuli yan ni Nabal. Piso. Yes, good for 2. What a pass by Nabal. Oh, Laude. Laude. Yes, good for 2 points by Laude. 1 minute and 24. 10 to shoot. Casarino to Nabal. On 3. No good. Rebound on Whiskey. Foul. First on Marabi. Yes. Second throw on Marabi. Yes again. 1 minute. 16 to shoot. To Casarino. To Bangilan. Umikot. To Rabiling by 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. To Martinez. No good. The rebound on Bangilan. 24 seconds. Second personal foul Martinez. First round Bangilan. No good. Yes. Good for 1.5 Bangilan. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Laude. Laude to Lagunsad. Inasinta sa tres. 3 points. Lagunsad. Number 22. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. 12 on the shot. Nabal. Inasinta. No good. To Lagunsad again. No good. Nakuha ni Galvan ang bola. Galvan. To Laude. 10 to shoot. Laude on the center. Yes, good for 2 points. 15 to shoot. To number 25. 10 to shoot. To Bangilan. Bangilan on the side. So Pampal, nakuha ni number 25. To Galban. To Lagunzad. Lagunzad. Pinit-pit. No good. Lagunsad. 4 points by Lagunsad. Naagaw yan ni Laude. Nakuha ni Escalona. Nakuha ni Casemiro. To Carpizo. Tapo din yan by Carpizo. San Andres. To Laude. To Lagunzad. 15 to shoot. Naagaw yan ni Escalona. Escalona. 15 to shoot. To Casarino. Bangilan. No good. Laude. Pinueston sa 3. No good. Rebound ng Escalona. To Bangilan. To Naval. Naval. Layup. Yes, good for 2 points by Naval. And 43 seconds. To San Andres. Umatake. No good. Rebound again ni San Andres. No good again. Nakuha ulit San Andres. No good again. Rebound by Carpizo. To Casarino. To Naval. Pumitit. Third personal foul out there. First throw on Naval. Yes, good for 1 point by Naval. Second throw on Naval. No good. Rebound on Bangilan. Bangilan to Carpizo. Carpizo. Umikot. Umeke. Nasapal. Nakuha ni Bangilan. No good. Nakuha ni Escalona. No good again. Rebound by Carpizo. No good again. Rebound by Carpizo again. Nagkagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Laude ang bola. Napakaganda naman ang laro. Binigay kay Lagunzad. 2 points by Lagunzad. 15 to shoot. Nabaw to Casarino. Casarino. To Carpizo. Pumeke. No good. Nakuha yan Escalona. Escalona. 14 shoot. To Nabal. Lays up by Nabal. Wala na. Rebound ni Bangilan last. So Lagunzad. Pumeke. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Whiskey. Nakuha lang bola. Nakuha agad ni Whiskey. To Lagunzad. Lagunzad. 10 to shoot. Lagunzad on the side. Yes! 2 points by Lagunzad. 6 minutes. To Casarino. To Escalona. 40 to shoot. To Naval. Pinuestuan sa 3. No good. To Escalona. No good again. Rebound San Andres. To Laude. To Lagunzad. Lays up. 2 points by Lagunzad. 5 minutes and 34. 15 to shoot. To Carpizo. Carpizo. On the center. To Naval. 7 to shoot. No good. Rebound on Galban. To Laude. Foul. 23. Oh, mga bata. Andyan na naman kayo, mga bata. To Laude. Investuan sa Torres. No good. Rebound ni Bangilan. Nakuha ni San Andres. No good again. To Carpizo. Pinato kay Llamas. Laude. Laude. To Galban. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. 5 to shoot. To Galban. 2 points Galban. Llamas. 4 minutes and 4. Llamas to Escalona. To Carpizo. No good. Rebound on Carpizo again. Yes, 2 by Carpizo. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Sobrang hinog. Laude. Tiniraan. No good. Nakuha ni Galban ang bola. 10 seconds shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Laude. Yes, good for 2 points by Laude. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Llamas to Escalona. Pumipit. No good. To Lagunsad. To Laude. Pumeke on the center. No good. Nakuha ni Escalona. To Carpizo. Nakuha ni Galba ng bola. To Palpal. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes. Laude on the 3. No good. Rebound to San Andres. No good again. To Bangilan. To Nabal. To Casarino. To Nabal. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasinta. Nakuha ni Bangilan. Nakapal yan sa Casarino. Pinwestuhan sa 3. To Galban. Nawala ang bola. All 79 score. Walang lamang. To Casarino again. Pumeke. On the center. Binitbit ang bola. Laval. To Laval. Nagagawa na. 13 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Nakuha ni San Andres ang bola. To Lagunsad. Yes, 2 for 2 by Lagunsad. So number 25. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. To Nabal. 15 to shoot. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Foul. No good. Rebound on Laude. So Whiskey. Nawala ang bola. To Nabal. To Carpizo. On the center. Rebound on Bangilan. Nasa Palpal again. Nakuha yan ni... Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha ni Bangilan. Pumeke. No good. Nakuha again ni Bangilan. To Casarino. No good.
Lalaki sa ilalim yun.
Last shot. Carpizo on the center. Yes! Good for 2 points by Laude. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot. Laude. Nakawala ang bola. Nahuli yan. Nakuha ni Whiskey ang bola. To Laude. Talong. Foul. Laude. To San Andres. On the side. Good for 2 by San Andres. 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. 45 seconds.
Nakatakot daw.
To Carpizo. Carpizo again. 38 seconds. Carpizo. No good. Rebound on Laude. Remaining time, 31.6 seconds.
Bye time.
Rep blessing.
Nabaw. Laude. Yes, good for 2 points by Laude. Nabaw, 24 seconds. Si Pangilan. Foul. 5 seconds. To Casarino. On 3. Tapos nakakuha ni Bangilan. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 remaining. 3.8 seconds remaining. .8 seconds remaining time. Penalty rep. First wrong. 3.5 seconds.
Wow, wow.
2, 1. Time! Official score 85-82. 3 points in favor of Ripers.
Hey! 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 Hey!